Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and today I'm going to give you a DIY cheat for that golden summer glowy skin. And it's 2 ingredients, and you can also use this if you don't feel like putting on a full makeup that day. You can put some of this on and you'll have a nice light golden glow to your skin. Now, the 2 ingredients we're going to use either your favorite oil or your favorite moisturizing lotion, and we're going to use some mica powder. Now, this is the mica powder that I use, and it's called Slice of the Moon, and I order it from Amazon. I get the bronze color because I just think my skin is like a bronze goddess. Okay, yes, I did just say that, but you can get this from Amazon or wherever you get your mica powder. Just make sure that it is responsibly sourced. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we are going to get a DIY summer glow in a few minutes. So we have our ingredients here. I have 2 teaspoons of marula oil. You know I love my marula oil. I get it directly from Botswana. It is wild harvested and wonderful for the skin. And then also we have our Slice of the Moon mica powder in bronze. So, and I also have 1/4 teaspoon. And what you want to do is you want to take it little by little. So what I do is I take a little bit of mica powder, because a little goes a long way, and I add a little bit to my oil, and then I mix it. And I mix it. And I keep adding to it until I get a color that I like. Now, sometimes the mica powder and the oil, it will look darker in the oil or in your moisturizer than what it really is. So you just do little by little. Take another little scoop and I add it in there, and then I mix it again until I think around the color in the oil that I like. See this nice bronzy color. It's nice bronzy color mixing together, and you mix it, and then I test it out on my arm to see. You can test it out on your inner arm to see if it's the right shade for you. So I'm testing it here on my arm, this nice bronzy color, and then I rub it in and I see, well, is this the color that I like? And I rub it in, I rub it all in on my arm. And then I look at it, and you can compare it to your other arm to see, and you can see if that's the color you want. And if you want some more, which I think I want to add a little more, just add another tad bit of mica powder, because remember, like I said, a little goes a long way. So I add another tad in there, and I mix it up, mix it nice, and get it nice and smooth. Make sure all the mica powder is absorbed in your oil or your moisturizer, and I mix, and then I test it out again. Again, it's gonna look darker in your oil or your moisturizer than it will look on your skin. So then you wanna test it out, so don't get too concerned if it looks dark in your mixture. And I mix it in, and I like that. Ooh, now that looks like a bronzy glow that I like. And you can see, and as I compare it to my other arm, you can see now I have that nice bronzy glow. It looks like I've been out in the sun, and my skin has a nice little glitter and a nice sheen to it. And this is how you can have that nice summer glow without being out in the sun, without putting on heavy makeup. And you can do that with your favorite oil and or moisturizer and some mica powder, and you can mix that in there. Look how beautiful that looks. Ooh, I'm excited to use it. Well, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next week for our next tip.